This cherry tree wood has been drying for the past 6 to 7 years. It will become an important part of a musical instrument. I use a bandsaw and plane to shape the wood into the rough dimensions that I need it to be. After I've almost taken the tops of my fingers off, I go up to my workshop, where the wood will become the neck of a classical guitar, or a Spanish guitar, or nylon string guitar, like most people have at home. Well, almost. Good, sharp tools are half the job. I'm often in op shops looking for old tools because they hold their sharpness so much better. The tools I use the most are very simple but effective. Plane, chisel, or a scraper, like this. All guitar builders try and create their own unique signature design with their instruments, like here at the head of the guitar. The rosette is a decoration around the sound hole of the guitar and is a signature design for each guitar maker. Spruce from the Alps, Switzerland, Austria or Italy is an important wood type for the instrument. I also use apple, pear and elm woods from the farm where I come from, using the natural colors of the timber. The resonator is the most important part of the guitar. It has to be individually adjusted for each guitar. Thickness is important, as well as strength and flexibility, which is aided by ribs which span the underside of the resonator. These are sanded down until the required flexibility is achieved. Ultimately, the difference between making a good guitar or a masterpiece can come down to just a handful of sawdust.